Okay, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jace, and then I'm here with my mom at the petting zoo, and then we're gonna show you some awesome things right here. Look, today we have on our belt we have this interesting bird right here. And this is a yellow bird, and then he's harmless. And see, he only has like a lot of feet. That's why he walks as a bird. And these two right here are just harmless. They don't bite or do nothing to the animal. And we're gonna show you this one. Look how many animals there are, guys. Look, there's another one eating popcorn. And look at all those birds. They're humongous, guys. And then and they're humongous, it's totally epic. Today on our tour, right? It's epic. Right, guys?
Right. Well, what is this place called? Robert is here.
Robert is here. This is the place. And you can look on Instagram or Tweety or other things like that. Look, you can look on Instagram. You can look on anything. You can get a milkshake. But right here, there's chickens. There's like a bunch of chickens, guys. A bunch of chickens you don't have to ask. And there's an airplane. And look at the sky. It's beautiful. A beautiful day. And I want to show you this one. Oh, come on. And then look at this one. This one is a bird. Look how nice he is. Hello. This one is a bird. He's really nice. Isn't that right, birdie? He says yes. And cut, I gotta go. And then that's gonna be, and you wanna see more of about Jason's videos so like and subscribe about animals. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.